I am from IIHM Pune. I am glad to share that I have been selected for IIHM Euro Wine Education Tour 2022, which will be starting from Italy. We will be covering Milan, Franciacorta, Piedmont, and Caviar Farm, leading to France, which will be covering Beaujolais, Burgundy, and barrel manufacturing factory, and ending up with Paris. I am really very excited because after 2 years of long wait, we are finally having this international tour. I will be exploring wines, food, and culture of Italy and France. I would like to thank IIHM for giving this us a wonderful opportunity, and our director, Mr. Rupender Kurana, for trusting us and supporting us in this tour. Thank you.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.